Okay, now the recipe calls for sour cream or plain Greek yogurt, but I have this strawberry banana yogurt. Okay, so I'm gonna let it drain to make it more Greek-like. Now I don't know if this is gonna drain. This is pretty thick. Homemade, it drains more. Well, you can see it's draining a little bit. So I'm gonna give this a couple of hours to see if it drains. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna use it like it is. Okay, so you can see I've had it sitting for about a half an hour and it's really not dripping. It would be, you would see like liquid whey in there. So I am just gonna use this as it is. I'm gonna make my lemon loaf, like a lemon pound cake. Trying this out to see, okay? All right, so let me get the right amount of yogurt or sour cream. Now I got my cake mix here, regular lemon cake mix, and then 1 lemon. All right, so 3 ingredients right there, pretty easy. Use this pan that I got at a garage sale. I just think it's the coolest loaf pan size. Oh, I can tell already. This is, so the acid from the sour cream or yogurt makes this super duper fluffy. So this is gonna be a really fluffy cake. Oh, yum. Throw this in the oven and bake it. My lemon loaf. I got my lemon glaze from my other recipe already mixed up. Oh my goodness. That looks delicious. Oh, yum.